Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change Snapchat notification sound in your phone, maybe your iPhone, maybe your Android. So you have to follow some steps to fix that issue if you find it. So simply, you have to go to settings of your phone, just tap on settings, and you have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Simply go back and just simply go to your app or just like that. Just tap on search, just search a snap, just like that. Just go to Snapchat and just wait, just go to notifications and just go to notification categories, just tap on notification categories and just scroll down and just find a snap and chats, just tap on it and here there is an option a sound, you just tap on that and here you will go to the C sound packers and that. So that's basically a platform where you can download and sounds you want to like it, just like you want a sound just like iOS notification sound, just like that. Just download it and just set it from here. So you have to make sure that setting to get the change of your notification sound. After that, just go that and simply go to Snapchat and just go to profile section of your phone. Just tap on Snapchat settings and just scroll down and just find a notification. Just find a notification from here. Just find a notification. If you didn't find, just find it. Just tap on notifications and scroll down and just find a sound. Here just tap on, just like that. You have just tap on tick and just tick it from here. Just make sure that setting. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.